The first step is to cut the rudder cable. Repeat for the other side.
Remove the rear set of foot braces and the middle set of foot braces by removing the 4 screws here on the side of the boat. Repeat the process for the other side. Cut the cord at the barrel lock to remove the middle set of foot braces. Repeat for both sides. The next step is to install the aluminum track. Use 2 of the 1/4-20 screws. The short screw goes in the front, the long screw in the back. Then use 2 rubber washers. Insert the screw from the outside of the boat. Place a rubber washer on the inside. Repeat for the back. The tracks are threaded, so the screw will attach right to the rail. Tighten a couple turns in the front to get the screw started. Repeat on the rear of the track. Then tighten fully. Use the same process to install the middle foot braces. Now we will install the foot braces. Place the star washer into the hole. Take a flathead screw and tighten a few turns to get it started. Do not tighten fully. Slide the foot brace into the middle track. Repeat for the other side of the kayak. Now measure the rudder cable. The correct length is noted in your instructions. Feed the rudder cable from the back of the kayak toward the front. Slide the stopper in through the notch in the rudder and push forward so that it's tight against the rudder. Cut the shrink wrap in half. Feed the cable through the shrink wrap. Place 2 of the brass ferrules onto the cable. Attach the extension strap. Make sure you attach so the adjustment side of the strap is to the center of the boat. Tighten the loop, then use crimpers to crimp each of the ferrules. Slide the shrink wrap forward, then use heat to shrink it. Now we'll attach the foot brace buckle to the foot brace. We're going to take the coarse threaded screw, run it through the washer, then through the hole in the buckle. Give it a couple of turns to start it. Then we'll place that into the rear hole of the foot brace and tighten it down. Now we'll attach the foot brace to the extension strap. Then place the foot brace into the track. Line up the foot brace with the end of the track. Tighten the extension strap. And then tighten the stopper screw. In order to move the foot brace into the forward position for solo paddling, we'll first disconnect the extension strap, loosen the stopper screw, slide the foot brace to the rear, move to the front of the boat, slide the foot brace into the front track from the rear, loosen the extension strap, run it behind the seat tower. Clip the extension strap into place and tighten so that the rear of the foot brace is in line with the track. Then we'll tighten the stopper screw.